Alright, back at Driftwoods. We need some more work done. I was here when they doing the freezer. See what they need today. It's a crazy story though, because they sent me a picture of that lock, but I was busy when they sent it, so I didn't get back to them right away. And then I tried to call them and say, hey, I'm on my way, but they never answered. But I'm in the neighborhood, so I just drove by. They're like, oh, we have someone else coming, but since you're here, yep, and I did it. So then they called me again. So sometimes it pays to hustle. I had a feeling that was what the story was, but I didn't pass up the opportunity. There you go.
Hey, thank you.
Yep, yep. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how's it going?
Good, good.
I'm the Locksmith.
Oh, perfect. Oh,
Yeah.
awesome. Sorry. Yeah, so a couple things. So we need more keys made.
Okay. For the freezer or?
No, for
Okay.
a different one.
Okay.
They say do not discard or duplicate, so
Yeah.
we try to go everywhere.
Gotcha.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, this thing is good. I didn't even realize. Beautiful. I didn't even know that it was full
Oh, you
size.
didn't know? Yeah, we have all three suites.
Yeah.
So the other thing I wanted to see, I don't know if you can even do it. Are you able to like number them?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll round up all the keys, and then if you can number them separately, and then the ones that you're gonna do, that way we can just kind of track. But here's the one we need duplicated, and then
Okay.
the one that we do want to change
Yeah.
is. Do you have your keys yet? Yeah. Can I see it? We're gonna have them number all of them, so that way we can track it. So right now everything's one key, which works great.
Yeah.
But we do want to have our office as a separate
key?
Yeah, so if you can just kind of change and then rekey this one.
Both doors? Or both locks?
Yeah, both
Okay.
locks to match the same.
And then how many copies?
So for this door, we would only need, yeah, you'll get one, but like I don't need our lead servers MX. So this one will need like 10 copies.
And you want to say do not duplicate as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the other one that you're gonna make the copy of, if we can do like 15 of those.
15. I don't know how smart this was. I just cut 15 keys, but I didn't even try one out. So we're going to go test one right now. But I did read the key with my little device, and I read it on the machine. Both of them got the same number, so I'm like, yeah, I think it's good. Yep, that works. Should I try all of them now? It's a lot of keys to be trying. No, I'm not going to. Normally I do, but I think I'm close enough by if they need me to come. I'll let them try. How about that? One of the keys numbered, labeled, so I'll bring them to my printing press right here, and we'll label these keys. All right, so did I grab all the keys? I did not grab all the keys. There's more. Okay, so anyway, you just weigh them all out, and then we're going to hit all of them with a master, with an M for master, and then each one will get a number. So I don't know if you can see it. That's my M. Only hit it one time. If you hit it more than one time, then it won't be clear. It'll start like scratching the key basically. So there's my M. All right. Got number 1 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10's gonna get a 1. 11 gets 2 1s. 12. 13. 14. 15. All right, 2 now. So 2 and 12.
All set?
Wow, look at that. All right, here's 15 for the main, and then I'll do the office.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. So I did M. Sorry. So like that's M17, Master 17.
Perfect.
And then 1 through 18. All right, including the 3 that you gave me. All right. What's going on here? They're gonna get locked up. Need a lock for that. Maybe they don't care. Well, I would take this out, but. Okay. Oh, the room with the AC. When you find a room like this, you do the work in here. Nice and cool. Okay. All right, we're gonna rekey this one to a new key. So we're taking it off like the main key. And then basically, to get it out, you have to put the key in, turn it, and then you can press that pin in on the Slang. That's it. You don't have to even turn. You just press it. So we'll push that. And pull that. And there you go. All right, we're gonna rekey these 2 locks. And just like somebody showed me on, so we're gonna swap the 6 and the 8 around. So we're gonna do 8, and then the last one will be a 6. So we're gonna swap 2 around, and then we'll cut 10 keys for this one, and then I can get away without changing any pins. I'm just gonna swap the 2 pins around. Alright, we got our old key. This is one of those. I hate these Slang that have the weird cover or whatever you call it. Okay. We will take this one out. There's the old key. They can have that back. This will be our new key. And that last one and that front one need to be swapped. And that's it. That lock is fully rekeyed. You know, the other key will not work in it. This key works. And this key doesn't. Put this back together. One more. Just in here. There we go. Let's take the other one out. I don't know where my pick somewhere, but I'll just use this. Push this okay, push that down, pull this out. These, you guys like these kind? I don't really care for them. Swap 2 around. Try to line it up with this little point here when you take it out so those pins don't drop. So these 2, they're all brand new, they're all still green, so they're not worn out at all. That's it. That one's done. I'm gonna go put this back on so they don't get locked out of that office, and then I'll cut 10 or 9 more keys. All right, put these 2 back on. Done.